Hi, Ashley here with hearthookhome.com, and today we are going to work up some of my super cute little Valentine's Day hearts. These are only 2 rounds, less than 80 stitches, super fast, super quick, great for Valentine's Day parties. You can make these in any color that you like. You can make white or pink or red or black or blue or green, any color of yarn that you have on hand that you would like to stash bust to make these cute little hearts. For this pattern, I am using a worsted weight yarn. I am also using a 4mm crochet hook from the new Heart Hook Home crochet hook set. To get started, we're going to start with a chain 13. Now we're going to find the 3rd chain from our hook, and we're going to go into the back bar right here, and I'm going to place 3 double crochets in that stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to double crochet 1 time in each of the next 2 chains. 1 here and 1 here. And now, using the next 5 chains, I'm going to double crochet 5 together. And what we're creating here is this first down part here, right on this first row. So we're going to do half of 5 double crochets, right? So here's 1. We'll do the first half where we yarn over, pull through 2. And now yarn over, go into the second one, pull up that loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now yarn over, go into the 3rd one, yarn over, pull through 2. So you can see that we've got 3 halfway completed double crochets on our hook. So we're going to do that until we get to 5. So here's number 4. Take the first half off, and then here's number 5. So now you should have 5 halfway completed double crochets on your hook with a total of 6 loops. Yarn over, pull through everything, and that is a 5 double crochet, or double crochet 5 together. Now we're going to do a double crochet in each of the next 2 chains. 1 and 2. In this final chain here, we're going to place 7 double crochets, and that's going to get us around to the opposite side. You'll see what I mean here in just a moment. So 1, 2, 7. Now I'm going to do a double crochet in each of the next 4 chains. Now you can see that I'm working up the opposite side of the chain now. So I'm going to do my double crochet. This is the knot, this is that last stitch we worked everything into. So you can see that this one right here is where I'm going to go for that first or the next stitch. So we're going to the opposite side of that chain and a double crochet. That's 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. Oops. Let me pull my yarn. Okay. And then here is 4. Now in this next stitch here, you can see that I'm crocheting around the tail. That's just so that I don't have to weave in that end later. I can go ahead and just cut it. So now I have the next stitch here is the centermost stitch. So I'm going to place 5 double crochets in that stitch there. So 1, 2. Now I'm going to do a double crochet in each of the next 4 chains or stitches, and that will get me back to where I started. So 1. It might be kind of hard to find that one. It does tend to get a little bit small when you put so many stitches in the one next to it. Just make sure that you're going into these 4 here to end this. 2, 3, and 4. And now, since we made it back to where we started, we're going to place 4 double crochets in the same as where we started right here. So we had 7 on this side. We started with 3, so now we're going to add 4 more. Right in that same hole that we came out of the first time. Now I'm going to find the top of the first stitch made, so that's this one right here, and I'm going to slip stitch to that right there. And that is the end of round 1. We only have 1 more round and we're done. It's already looking like a heart. Isn't that cute? So in order to make this next round, which is much quicker than the first round, we're going to do a chain 2, and we're going to place 2 double crochets in each of the first 2 stitches. So right here, 1, 2. And in the next one, we're going to do 2 in that one as well. So 1 and 2. And now we're going to do a double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. So 1 and 2. And now when we are down here, we've got these centermost stitches here. We're not going to do a double crochet 5 together. We're going to do a double crochet 3 together. So we're going to do the same exact thing, only with 3 stitches instead of 5. So going to the next and do the first half of a double crochet. And now go into the next and do the first half of a double crochet. And then one more time for double crochet 3 together, which you can see that we've got 3 double crochets started on the hook there. Yarn over, pull through all of them. And now we're going to mirror what we just did. So we're going to do 2 on this side. We did 2 over here, we'll do 2 over here. So 1 and 2. And now to get around this corner here, or around this hump on your heart, we're going to do 2 double crochets in each of the next 5 stitches. Total of 10 stitches total. 1, 2. And then the next we'll do 1, 2. And then 3, this is the 4th. Oops. And this is the 5th. Now we're going to do double crochets all the way down to where we get to the end here, to the cornermost or the pointiest stitch, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, oops, 4, 5, 6, 7. Doesn't that look nice? So now that we've made it to our centermost stitch, I'm going to do 5 double crochets in that centermost there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we will do 7 double crochets to get us back over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when you get back to the end here, you should have 3 stitches remaining. We're going to do 2 double crochets in each of those 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. We are done. Isn't that just adorable? These little hearts are so freaking cute. I hope you love them. I hope you create a ton of them. They are so quick, so easy to make, great for Valentine's Day. You can sandwich 2 of them together like this and crochet from here through both fabrics all the way around and leave just a little opening at the top for a little Hershey's Kiss or a little sucker or candy or something for Valentine's Day as well. These are so cute and so quick and so easy. I hope you love it and that you make a ton of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll crochet again with you soon.